Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the side plates on your PlayStation 5. Doesn't matter if it's the disc or the digital version. If you're interested in finding out more about the PlayStation 5 or you want to shop this console, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's get the plates off. First side we're going to remove is going to be the panel with the PlayStation logo. When you're looking at it to identify the panels and where you need to lift up to remove, it's going to be the narrow side on both sides, if that makes sense. Not this portion that's the widest gap, but the narrow one. So we'll start with the logo here. You're going to want to gently pull up, and then you're going to slide the plate down. So gently pull up, slide it down like so, and then you can remove the plate. See what we're working with here? Get a feel for that. Right up by the logo, those two right there. Then here's a look at it with it removed. You may or may not scrape yours a little bit depending on how much force you're using to remove the side plate, but we got the first side removed with the logo. Now we're at the other side. Again, same thing to identify which corner to lift up on. It's going to be the smallest portion here. So looking at this way, it's going to be the top right-hand corner. And same thing. Then we just gently lift and apply pressure downward. So lift up, apply pressure downward. Lift and pull towards yourself or pull down. So there we go. It's that simple to get your PS5 plates removed.